Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to find questions in a given text using Python. Whether you're working on natural language processing tasks, sentiment analysis, or chatbot development, identifying questions within text can be a valuable skill. We'll cover various methods and provide code examples to help you get started. Before we begin, make sure you have Python installed on your system. You'll also need a code editor or integrated development environment, IDE, for writing and running Python code. Regular expressions, regex, are a powerful tool for pattern matching in text. You can use regex to identify questions by looking for sentence-ending question marks, or question words like who, what, when, where, why, and how. Another approach to finding questions is by using natural language processing, NLP, libraries like spacy, which can parse text and provide information about sentence structure. First, you'll need to install spacy and download a language model, example English. Now, you can use spacy to find questions. If you have a large dataset and want to identify questions with higher accuracy, you can train a machine learning model using techniques like text classification. This method requires labeled data and is more complex but can yield better results for specific tasks. In this tutorial, we explored various methods to find questions in text using Python. You can choose the method that best suits your needs, whether it's a simple regular expression approach, using NLP libraries like spacy, or even employing machine learning for more advanced tasks. By implementing these techniques, you can extract valuable information from textual data and enhance your natural language processing applications. ChatGPT.